Hello everyone. So in this video, I'll teach you more three chords, that is A minor, E minor and D minor. So in the previous video, I've already thought about the chords G, C and D. So in this video, I'll teach you this A minor, E minor and D minor. So we'll see how we can play that. So first A minor. To play A minor chord, we should hold first finger, first fret, second string, and second finger, second fret, fourth string, and third finger, second fret, third string. And to play this chord, we should start from the fifth string, not from the sixth string. So we'll do the same downstroke. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, D minor chord. D minor chord, to play D minor chord, we should take the first finger and put it on the first fret, first string, and the second finger should be on the third string, second fret, and the third finger should be on the third fret, second string. So this is how we hold, and we'll start from fourth string. One, two, three, four. Next chord is E minor chord, which is the very easiest chord. So to play that, we should take these two fingers, middle finger and ring finger, that is finger number 2 and finger number 3. We will hold fifth string, second fret, and fourth string, second fret, like this. And we should maintain the curve, and we'll play the strings, like from sixth string to the first string, we'll give a downstroke. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll apply the shifting. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can practice this daily, and also the other chords, and you can also apply the strumming pattern